Implementation challenges. Why asset management projects fail before they even start. Many asset management projects begin with high expectations, but some never deliver the outcomes they promised. What is the cost of getting it wrong? Budget blowouts, delayed implementation, poor user adoption, inaccurate reporting, and missed business objectives. When the foundation is weak, even the best software struggles to succeed. Technology cannot solve problems that have not been clearly defined. So defining the business objectives is critically important, and defining asset management goals essential. Or maintenance plans suffer. Reporting becomes unreliable. Compliance risks increase, and confidence in the system declines. Clean data is the foundation of every successful EAM implementation. Without alignment, adoption suffers and projects lose momentum. What successful organizations do? Conduct asset audits. Legacy, data cleansing, process reviews, stakeholder engagement, clear ownership and accountability, and implementation planning. Audit, cleanse, verify, implement, optimize, because success begins long before go live. Talk to Hardcat about building the right foundation for your enterprise project. Build the foundation for EAM success before implementation begins.